Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers, and if you're new here, welcome guys. So guys, today I'm gonna make some brown stew snapper. I just came from the fish store and I bought 6 fish. I'm gonna cook today some brown stew fish with some dumpling. I'm just gonna make some pumpkin dumpling today, guys. I'm gonna make pumpkin dumpling and some cornmeal dumpling, 2 different dumplings, okay? So I'm gonna scrape them off. I'm gonna go in the sink and I'm gonna scrape them off again because I just came from the store with them. So I'm gonna do my job now and get them ready so I could get them to fry and then I brown stew them. So you stay tuned guys and keep watching. Okay guys, I'm gonna season my fish. In this I have some easy spice seasoning and black pepper guys, no salt. So that's all I have here. So I'm gonna season my fish now. I'm gonna season it and set it aside. And while my pot is preheating, I'm gonna need my dumplings. Okay guys, I'm gonna set this aside and now I'm gonna preheat my pot, my Dutch pot, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna need my dumpling in the meanwhile too. Okay guys, this is my pumpkin dumpling. I boil the pumpkin and I scratch it and my flour, and I'm gonna tip a little bit of salt inside, just a little bit. And this one over here is my cornmeal dumpling with my flour. I'll tip a little salt in there also. So I'm gonna need this one first. I'm gonna make my pumpkin dumpling first, guys. I'm gonna combine the flour with the pumpkin before I add no water. Okay, my meat already complete. I have my water over here. I'm gonna add some water. So leave me in the comment, guys, if you're gonna make pumpkin dumpling, guys. I wanna know who's gonna try it. A bit more water to get everything together. Guys, I'm gonna add some oil to my Dutch pot now, and I'll come back after I finish. I'm gonna come back and do the other. Need my cornmeal dumpling also. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add my oil to my Dutch pot. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna need my cornmeal dumpling in the meanwhile. Washing my hands again. And then I'm gonna do my cornmeal dumpling. Okay, guys, this is the last street. Almost finished, guys. Okay, guys, I'm taking out the last 3 fish from the pot. Just stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna make my sauce for my snapper. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put my dumplings in the pot. I'm putting in the cornmeal ones first. Show them the dumpling then. I'm putting in all the cornmeal one first, and then I'm gonna put my pumpkin dumpling on top. Guys, I use a crusher to crush the pumpkin, but next time I'm gonna puree them so we don't have no lumps in them. My first time making it, so you learn while you go along. So, okay, guys, all my dumplings are in my pot now, and I'm gonna take care of my brown stew snapper now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add my onions. I'm gonna make my sauce for my brown stew snapper. So I'm frying up my onions. Okay, guys, I'm putting in my scallion and tomato. I had already added my garlic. Just give it a couple, about 5 minutes. Cook down for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add some sauce. I'm gonna add some fish sauce. And that's good from Jamaica. You can get fish sauce here too. I just want to use this one. I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup. So I have tomatoes here. I'm gonna make this cook a little bit. So guys, some of my leftover seasoning I'm gonna add a little bit to it. Season. I didn't season that much. I'm gonna add a small pepper inside. They are small, but they are very hot. Okay guys, I'm adding my thyme now. I'm gonna add my fish on top.
Dancing dashpot is here.
Yeah, dancing dashpot. All my fish is in my pot. I'm gonna give them 2 minutes and I'm gonna add some more pepper to it. I'm gonna let them steaming. Get a spoon and I'm gonna turn on the stove too. Okay guys, I'm gonna add some butter, a tablespoon of butter to my fish. Stay there and simmer down, guys. I don't want my pepper them to be cooked too much. So I'm just gonna leave it for maybe about 5 minutes more and I'll be right back. Okay guys, my dumpling is finished cooking. I'm gonna share a plate. My dumpling and my fish is ready also. So I'm gonna share a plate and let you guys see, guys. So stay tuned while I share the plate, guys. Watch me on my pot, guys. Okay guys, this is my finished product of my snapper, brown stew snapper with pumpkin dumpling and cornmeal dumpling, guys. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. Walk good.